Hey guys, I have something to say. I finally have this thing. You know? Wow! As you can see, I'm face tracking. Oh, okay, I lagged. Oh, ah, ah, ah. Awa, awa, ow, 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 ow. Ah, 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 As you can see, it's me. If you see this guy, please tell him that I have this. So please like and subscribe to my channel, please. Awa. Awa. Wait, I don't have voice chat though. Please don't mind the background, please, because what the fuck is this furry, bro? What the fuck? Oh hell. What the fuck is that furry? Hell nah, bro. What the fuck? So I'm a nigga. Joe, no. I'm just joking. No. Amaya! Why did I say that? So, if you see this guy, please. Wait, no. If you see this guy, he's coming for you. I promise. Bro, you don't need no glasses no more, bro. You don't need no glasses. You don't need no glasses, bro. You don't need no glasses. You don't need no glasses, bro. What the fuck? You don't need no glasses. You don't need no glasses, please. No glasses for you.